Hello, welcome once again. Today we move again as we go for the installation of this particular camera, and we are going to Omunachi in Anambra State, precisely in Anambra, Nigeria. So we are going to use this camera to monitor a particular environment. It is actually for home use, but we are going to show you how the installation will go on today. But before that, I will show you how to configure it and how to raise it up with a pole and get it connected. Let's go there now. Okay, first, when you bring out your camera, you look for the panel. Seeing the solar panel will help you to know where the position of the battery will be. Sometimes the battery can be under the camera, that is according to the provisions. Some can even attach it somewhere else, but this particular one, the battery is meant to be at the back. So per time you look at it, looking for it. So this particular one is actually at the back. So now we're going to put the batteries. So you bring out your batteries. So like this, you slot it according to the, this is negative and this is positive. So you look at your battery like this, you see the negative side and see the positive side. And this battery is 3.7 by 4800 mAh. So you look at it and look at the proper position where it should be. So this is it now. You slot it. You come to this side and do the same. Then for you to check if it is properly done, you do it like this. If they are free, it means you got it right. But if they are tight, it means you misplaced some things. So after this, you now have to cover it back. After covering it, the next thing is you use your picker, open the camera, slot in your memory card. So you bring out your SIM card. This SIM card is 32 gig. So, but we have 64, we have 128, depending on the one you want to use. Then you bring out your SIM card, bring out, that is memory card, sorry, that is memory card. Then you bring out your SIM card. Like I said, you should ensure you know the network that is available in your environment. Bring out the SIM card. This is the SIM card. You open your camera, we have space for SIM card. We have space for SIM card and we have space for memory card too. This is SIM, this is memory. So I will insert the SIM card. Always ensure you follow the direction. The direction is like this. So I'm putting it in with my picker. It will click. Then I will have my memory card. You see the where my memory card is. I'm going to do the same here. So as you can see, I did not get it. That's why it is not pushing in. So what do? I will turn it like this. This is the right position. Then you press it with your picker like this and it will enter. Then you close it back. Then after this, the next thing you do is to power the camera. You power the camera. Now the camera is connected to the solar panel. So you now have to turn on the camera. The camera is already on. Then first it will show this red light as you can see. So now it shows it's connected to the internet. So what do? I will scan the camera, the barcode. But before you do that, you have to check, make sure you know the application that works with it. Here the application is U-Box. I will look for my U-Box. I already have U-Box in my phone. So what I'm going to do is go to my plus icon. For emphasis, for those of you that are watching for the first time, this is the app, U-Box. I will click it, it will open because I've registered already. I have the camera that monitors me in my house. The shift so I will see it as I can. So this camera monitors my activities in the house. So if I touch it, I will see myself here. You can see me and my person, someone that is covering me. So this is it. Or the one I have in the house. You see the activities happening within my environment. So all the activities I'm doing here is happening there. So this is how you are going to do it. By doing that, I will now return it back because I want this camera to be on. I will turn the plus icon. It's plus. So now like this. So now it has given me signal. I should click next to turn on the blue LED, which is this. Then by inserting my SIM card, and so you can see the right up, I will click my next. Scan the QR code on the camera now, to connect to your phone. What I will do in order to follow the instruction, I will scan the right from there. I will just bring out the barcode, place it close to where I can access it. And this is it. An address can go to the next step directly. So now this is my device. I will leave it like this. Is it in my living room or front? So this is not actually needed. I will come here, select my home, and click next. Installed successfully. I will now check the camera. This is the camera we just turned on now. This is the camera. So like now, this particular crunch, you can see it. Pause. Let me again position it to the sun. So this is the camera. I position it directly to the sun. So now let me show you what the camera does. Bring your camera not get it. So you just see it as it is now. Now come with me and see it on my phone how it is operating. The room we are operating, which is the camera. You can see how neat it is. Wow. Now, for this camera, I'm going to ready. So that is the camera. Is it getting the gates? So this is the gate, as you can see. The camera is monitoring the activity that is happening at the gate. So I can decide to turn it anywhere I feel like. But it's standing in taking another direction. So now I can turn it to another position. So see the gates. See, this is how best. So I can watch. I can use it anywhere I want.